Hey there, high-level enthusiasts. Today we're going to connect our high-level account with other tools for maximum efficiency. Why bother with integration? Well, think of it as assembling a team. Each member has their use, and when they team up, you get a business powerhouse. In high-level, first go to your sub-account. Then, click on Settings and scroll down below Other Settings and click Integrations. All you need to do from here is connect. Each of the logins are very straightforward. You can click on Connect and then use your login credentials. For example, I will show the process of logging into Google. It's as simple as clicking the button, entering your email or username and password, and then signing in. They may ask for permissions, which you can check over and click Agree. After doing this, you can also connect a Google business profile by selecting the page you want and then connect. Next, I will show the TikTok login process. As you can see, it is very simple and just like signing into an account as usual. You may have to accept some verifications and permissions, but after that, you are all set to go with your business account. Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook are very similar to this when logging in. Lastly, you can also set up payment and e-commerce tools such as Stripe, Shopify, or QuickBooks. This is what the Stripe login looks like. As an example, when you click Continue, it will take you to the Payment Integrations page where you can manage all the payment applications. Just click Manage, connect the account, and let the synergy begin. And there you have it, the magic of high-level integration. So go ahead, experiment, connect, and let the integrations take your business to new heights. Until next time, keep integrating, keep innovating, and let's make your business soar.